Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and as I promised, today we are going to crochet leaves cord that first of all can be used as a belt or a headband. Really beautiful um, headband you will get, especially for kids or babies. If you want to learn how to crochet just one leaf separately, follow the video. I will leave it in the info box down below. For this cord I am using medium worsted weight yarn, but you can use also cotton yarn, and 4.5 millimeters crochet hook. So let's get started. So make a slip knot and start with chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now into the sixth chain, 3, 4, 5, 6, make a 2 double crochet cluster. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. Yarn over again and insert the hook into the same loop, pull through 2 loops, and now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Like this you did 2 double crochet cluster. Chain 2, and now underneath the first unfinished double crochet that you've just done from the cluster, make 6 double crochet cluster. So this is the first one, the second one, yarn over underneath, pull up a loop and pull through 2, 4, 5, and the last one, 6, pull through 2 only. You've done 6 double crochet cluster and you have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first one, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, pull through 2, and one more, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Please remove your hook and turn leaf like this. Leave the yarn behind, insert the hook again, pick up your loops, and find the second unfinished double crochet from the 2 double crochet cluster. Make again underneath 6 double crochet cluster like you did before. Yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2. And again yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2. Fourth one, two more like this, and the last one. Now as before, make a yarn over and pull through the first loop, then yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again, yarn over and pull through 2, and one more time yarn over and pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Make a yarn over and pull through all loops at once like this. That's the leaf that you have. chain 3, turn the leaf and find chain 2. Here it is, and make a slip stitch, just inserting your hook underneath. Slip stitch, like this. And now it's time to join the second leaf. So how do we do it? Chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and make a 2 double crochet cluster again into the chain 5 of the previous leaf, and pull through all 3 loops. So the same, now you have the base for the leaf. Again, make a chain 2 and find the first unfinished double crochet and make 6 double crochet cluster around it. First, second, third, fourth, 2 more, fifth, and the 6th one. Now make a yarn over and pull through the first loop, then pull through 2 until you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now when you have 2 loops, remove the hook and turn the leaf. Leave the working yarn behind and find the second unfinished double crochet. Yarn over and make 6 double crochet cluster again around the second unfinished double crochet. Now yarn over, pull through the first loop, then pull through 2 until you have 3 loops on your hook. Yes, and chain 3, turn the leaf and find chain 2 and make a slip stitch around it. That's it. That's how you joined first 2 leaves, and they are looking in different directions. So I will show you only how to start the third one. Chain 5 and make a 2 double crochet cluster around the chain 5 of the second leaf. So the first unfinished double crochet and the second, and now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And now the same repeat. In chain 2, find the first unfinished double crochet and make 6 double crochet cluster around it, then turn and 6 double crochet cluster around the second one. So that's it. Like this, go on joining leaves and you will get this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous cord. Try using lighter yarn for cotton yarn, it will be absolutely amazing if you are going to make a baby headband. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorials.